life is a series of connections. In today's technological world, businesses interact globally, families and loved ones stay in touch. Information sharing is essential, and a framework of data keeps the world running. One thing is certain: the critical infrastructure of our connected lives is more important than ever. At STULZ, we do our part to support today's connections with custom manufactured temperature and humidity controlled solutions for mission-critical environments. There are increasing and differing needs for data and a demand for instant access to it. Standard solutions won't meet those needs. Our custom designs and on-site engineering means that we build the ideal solution for every application. From edge to hyperscale, we keep your vital systems running efficiently and reliably 24/7. We are user-driven, custom designed, and purpose-built, and our solutions ensure the connections today, tomorrow, and for generations to come.